Welcome to Unboxing Monday. My name is Dean Banowetz, Hollywood Hair Guy. Let's open up another box. Thank you also, Hask, for the great box opener. It's been with me for years. This is something new that I have never utilized before. I am not sure if any of you guys have ever used Kevin Murphy products, but these are super awesome. So Kevin Murphy. This is a product line, I believe it's from Australia. I love the packaging. The packaging is really unique and special. They're square tubs, but this is a free hold, medium hold styling paste. What I love about a paste, especially when you work TV, it doesn't give a high gloss, because sometimes if you use a really glossy pomade, it has a tendency to make the hair look like it's greasy or wet. Now this one I've never used, and I'm actually very excited about this. This is, it's from the product line 11, I believe. And this is Australia as well. And this is a really strong paste. So I love this because it gives the matte finish, but it also gives hold. Okay, this is gonna be perfect. I love that. Actually, I think I'm gonna use some of my hair right now. I could use a little bit of this strong paste. Yes, we're gonna do this. I mean, come on, how cute is that? I mean, I was cute before, but come on, tell your friends. Oh, I'm gonna use this already. I love a good hold. Look at that. That's some good hair. This is probably gonna be my new bestie right here.